So right now you're seeing a standard Genesys Cloud agent desktop. So as a customer, we click over here. We're just going to simplify this. So what I did is I built in, I had the snippet of code added into this sample web page that I developed. So typically what you'll do is when you've done that is you will get this little blue button in the bottom right-hand corner. You can configure the colors. It's very easy to configure that. You can even customize your own button if you so wish, but out of the box, it becomes very simple and easy. So for my sake, I would just basically click on here, and then I just start off with a hello to my agent. So it responds back, and then I have this integrated with Dialog Engine, so it's going to ask me some information. What are you looking to do? So I'm going to say I'm going to want to, I'm going to inquire about a ticket. So it's going to ask, and this is where the bubbles show up, what we call simple. So you can see whether I can click on yes or no, or I could type that in. So I'm going to say, are you checking up on a ticket? Yes, I am. It's going to ask me some information, perhaps by username. It's going to ask me a password, which again could be authenticated in the back end, and then my ticket number. So at that point, it's going to connect me to an advisor. You see over here, we're going to accept that call. So for an agent, I see the context, what the customers come in, what they've asked for. I can see if there is a script built out. We can build a script. So a lot of this information that's provided with chat is also available with web messaging. We also get the profile of the customer. Right now, I don't have a profile set up for this one, but I could also see the customer journey. I can see that they're on their website, what they're doing, what web pages they've moved around in on. So all of that is available. Again, same thing, canned messages, canned responses can be provided back to the customer. So in this case here, they're saying, I'm asking about my ticket. So now the customer's asking the agent about their ticket. So the agent comes back, just a minute. So now what's happened is we're talking back and forth, but the customer at this point in time has dropped the conversation. Now the customer itself is not online. They're not seeing this, but then they come back into the conversation and they jump back in, and all of a sudden that information has been filled out. So even though they went away, walked away, they don't have to restart that whole conversation all over again. So they can reply thanks back to the agent, and away they go, and they're done. So it remembers that it's that conversation that's enduring as such. And again, you can set up the parameters for how long you wish that conversation to go on for.